Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 7th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is the triangle and its properties. So we have already completed up to exercise 6.3, and we have discussed the first question of exercise 6.4 as well. In this question, the measurement of three sides of a triangle are given. So the question is whether the triangle is possible with the measurement of the sides given in the part. So we have to see, according to the property of triangles, the sum of any two sides should be greater than the third one. Sum of any two sides of a triangle should be greater than the third one, and we have seen that in two of the cases it is not there. In the first case, 2 plus 3, 5 is equals to the third side, that is 5, but it should be more than that. So that's why in the first part the triangle is not possible. As well, in the third part, the three sides are given 6, 3 and 2. So last two sides 3 and 2, if we add both, 3 plus 2, 5, that is less than the third one, that should be greater than the third one. That's why in the first case and then in the third case the triangles are not possible. But in the second case, we have seen that sum of the two sides taken in any of the order, any two sides, the sum of any two sides is greater than the third one. That's why the triangle is possible only in the second case. At the same time, today we will start the next question, that is, according to a question, take any point O in the interior of a triangle PQR. So question number 2, in this question we are supposed to take, first of all, the triangle is there PQR, and in that triangle the naming is different. So PQR, so we will take the different naming. We will take the P here and here, PQ and here R, and OB any point in the interior we can take anywhere, so that is O. Now after that, some parts are there, OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. So for that, first of all, we should join P and O. So the first part is there, we have to assess that OP plus OQ, OP plus OQ is greater than PQ, and question mark is there, then we will say yes, OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. Why? Because in triangle OPQ, the smaller triangle, the lower one, OPQ, OP and OQ are the two sides of the triangle, and sum of two sides should be greater than the third one. The sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Like this. So in the next part, OQ plus OR, the next part, OQ plus OR is greater than QR, OQ plus OR means we have to join this. Now we are considering this triangle. In this triangle, OQ and OR are two sides, and third side is OR. Third side is QR. So OQ plus OR, the sum of two sides will always be greater than the third one in the case of triangle. So the second part will also be yes. and the region will be same. And we can see in the third part as well, OR plus OP is greater than RP. Yes, in this case we will consider this triangle ORP or OPR. The sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third one. Region is same for all these parts, and we are supposed to consider the different triangles, and we are supposed to tell which triangle we are considering here. So like this we can proceed such type of questions. After that we will discuss the next question, that is question number 3. And in question number 3, AM is the median of a triangle ABC. Triangle is given. ABC is the triangle ABC, and AM is the median. AM is the median. Median means the line joining the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Opposite side is BC and the midpoint is M, means BM is equals to CM. So M is the midpoint here. So we have to see that is, in question number 3, is AB plus BC, AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. We are supposed to see. So first of all we will consider this triangle ABM. In triangle ABM means this triangle. So we can say that AB plus BM is greater than AM. AB plus BM is greater than AM. Why we are writing this? The sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. So this is the reason. Similarly, in triangle AMC means this triangle MC plus CA is greater than the AM. So this was the first equation, this was the second equation. Here no need to write the same thing again because we have written here the similarly. So we have to adding 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2. So we will add left hand side to the left hand side and right hand side to the right hand side. So AB plus BM plus MC plus CA is greater than AM plus AM. So from here we can see BM plus MC, that is BC. So AB plus BC plus CA is greater than AM plus AM twice AM. So that is, the answer is yes. How or why it is yes? And we have shown already how the sum of three sides here of a triangle is greater than twice the length of the median. So like this only you are supposed to proceed such type of questions. In the next question as well, ABCD is a quadrilateral. So quadrilateral is there. In the quadrilateral you can find many of the triangles. In the triangles you are supposed to apply the same thing, same property of the triangle, that the sum of the two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third one. So like this you are supposed to proceed. So I hope that you have understood the method how to proceed such type of questions. At the same time you can try question number 4 as well as question number 5. In question number 6 we will discuss the question number 6. In question number 6, the length of two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 15 centimeters. Between what two measure should the length of the third side fall? Means two sides are given, sides of triangle, sides of triangle are 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. So their sum of sides is equals to 12 plus 15, that is 27 centimeter. Difference of sides, difference is 15 minus 12, that is 3 centimeter. So the third side should be more than 3 centimeter and less than 27 centimeter. Means the third side should be greater than the difference of two sides and it should be less than the sum of the both the sides. So the third side will be more than 3 and less than 27. So I think now you have understood and you will try the remaining questions at home. At the same time you are supposed to repeat the questions which we have done here in this video. At the same time, if you face any kind of problem in solving question number 4 or 5, then you can message us or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your doubts, or if it if it is required, then we will include your doubts in the next video so that your doubts can be cleared. And after clearing your doubts, you can proceed the questions given in your textbook in a convenient manner. Thank you very much.